Morning students. Students, in our last lecture we have completed exercise 6.1. Now we are going to start next topic. So let us come and see here. Students, our next topic is if we have two lines that M and N are the two lines and a transversal intersect them at two distinct points, that these are the two distinct points where this transversal intersect these two lines. So students, what are the position of these angles? तो स्टूडेंट्स इफ द टू एंगल्स लाइंग अबव द लाइन, जैसे एंगल 1 और 2 दोनों लाइन के अबव में ऊपर है, एंड एंगल 3 एंड 4 दोनों लाइन के नीचे हैं, 5 और 6 लाइन के अबव एंड 7 एंड 8 बिलो द लाइन है. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड द कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंगल 3 लाइन के इधर है और एंगल 6 लाइन के दूसरी तरफ है, इधर साइड में है. तो स्टूडेंट्स 3 एंड 6 एंड 7 एंड 2 these are called alternate interior angles. Angle 5 and 4 and angle 1 and 8 are called alternate exterior angles. Okay students, and angle 3 and 2 same side of transversal. Students, angle 3 and 2 are the angles on the same side of transversal, and angle 7 and 6 are also called the angles on the same side of transversal, or consecutive interior angles we can say them, or co-interior angles we can say them. Now students, we have a axiom 6.3. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, now there is two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Students, let us see here. If L and M are the two lines and these are parallel, and N is a transversal intersect them, so students, angle 1 and 2 are the corresponding angles, hence they are equal. Angle 3 and 4 दोनों लाइन के नीचे हैं, they are corresponding angle, hence they are equal. 5 and 6 they are above the line, both are, hence they are equal. And angle 7 and 8 are corresponding angles, hence they are equal. This is our axiom 6.3. Students, we know that axiom is a universal truth which need not to be proved. Axiom 6.4. If a transversal intersect two lines such that each pair of corresponding angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. Students, if we have given two lines and L and M and a transversal N intersect them, if the students each pair of corresponding angle is equal, let us we have given that angle 1 and 2 are equal. So students, then we can say that then line L and M are parallel. Okay students, now we have theorem 6.2. students, हमें इनके प्रूफ नहीं करने, क्योंकि एनसीईआरटी जिन थ्योरम्स के प्रूफ हमें करने को कहेगा, हम वी हैव टू डू ओनली दीज प्रूफ्स. Now theorem 6.2. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Students, if L and M two lines are parallel, and these are if two parallel lines and a transversal intersect them, then angle 3 and 6 are alternate interior angles, hence they are equal. If the lines are parallel, then the alternate angles are equal. Then angle 7 and 2 are also called the alternate interior angles, hence they are equal. Now theorem 6.3. If a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel. Student, here we say the converse, means if we have given two lines L and M and a transversal N intersect them, and if we have given alternate interior angle का जो एक पेयर है 3 और 6, these are alternate interior angles, 7 and 2 these are alternate interior angles, and if they are equal, students, then the line L and M must parallel. Okay students, now theorem 6.4. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of transversals are supplementary. Now this theorem says that student कि if two lines and L and M are parallel, then 3 and 2 are angles. कैसे angles हैं? consecutive interior angles we can say them, co-interior angles say them, या एंगल्स ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल से देम. इनका सम 3 और 2 का सम हमेशा सप्लीमेंट्री होगा, मींस 180 डिग्री होगा. 7 एंड 6 भी को इंटीरियर एंगल्स हैं, इनका सम भी 180 डिग्री होगा. नाउ थ्योरम 6.5. इफ ए ट्रांसवर्सल इंटरसेक्ट टू लाइंस सच दैट ए पेयर ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल इज सप्लीमेंट्री, देन द टू लाइंस आर पैरेलल. Students, if we have given two lines L and M and a transversal N intersect them, and if we have given that कि angle 2 और 3 इनका sum 180 डिग्री given है, या 7 और 6 का sum 180 डिग्री has given, then the line L and M must parallel. तो students, what we learn here, we studied here that कि if we want to prove two lines parallel, then we have three methods. First, if we show corresponding angles are equal, any one pair of corresponding angle is equal, then the line L and M must parallel. If we show angle 3 and 6 alternate interior angle, only one pair or 7 or 2 are equal, then we say line L and M are parallel. If we prove angle 3 and 2 their sum is 180 degree, then consecutive interior angles का sum अगर 180 डिग्री है, then the line L and M are parallel. तो दो लाइंस को पैरेलल प्रूव करने के तीन मेथड्स हमें मिल चुके हैं. या तो हम कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल का कोई एक पेयर इक्वल दिखा दें, देन लाइंस पैरेलल हैं, या हम अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल का कोई एक पेयर इक्वल दिखा दें, तब भी लाइंस पैरेलल होंगी. या हम कॉन्जिक्यूटिव इंटीरियर एंगल्स का एनी वन पेयर का सम 180 डिग्री शो कर दें, देन तब भी लाइंस पैरेलल होंगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ द लास्ट थ्योरम हियर इज 6.6. If two lines are parallel to same line, then they are parallel to each other. Let us see here students, if line L is parallel to M, okay, and line N is parallel to M, then these two lines are parallel to this same line M, then L and N are also parallel. So this is the last theorem 6.6. Now students, exercise 6.2, question number 1. We have given here a figure, AB and CD are two lines and a transversal intersect them. Here this angle is 50 degree, this angle is X, this angle is Y, this angle is 130 degree. We want to find angle X and Y. Students, here we see that to find में सबसे पहले students given लिखते हैं, हमें पता है. Then we write to find angle X and Y, and hence we have to prove that AB parallel CD. ये भी हमें prove करना है. Now proof. Here is no need of construction, तो students proof. Angle y is equal to 130 degree. Why? Because these are vertically opposite angles. Okay students, तो y angle क्या आ गया 130 degree. Angle 50 degree, this angle and this angle x, these are the linear pair angles because this is the line and this is a ray stand on it. रे के उधर और रे के इस तरफ जो दो एंगल बनते हैं उनका सम क्या होता है 180 डिग्री. तो 50 डिग्री प्लस x इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, तो एंगल x क्या आ गया स्टूडेंट्स 130 डिग्री. तो स्टूडेंट्स एंगल x भी 130, एंगल y भी 130, और ये कैसी पोजीशन पे है, ये लाइन के इधर है, दूसरा लाइन के दूसरी तरफ है, एंड दीज आर alternate interior angles. If two alternate interior angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. So AB parallel to CD, hence proved. So students, today's lecture is के लिए आज इतना ही. Okay, goodbye, thank you.